At times you may want to filter traffic in your Google Analytics from specific IP addresses. So it can be your workplace IP address, or if you have been observing certain spike in traffic from particular IP addresses, then you can just filter them out from your Google Analytics. So how to do that? First of all, you have to just go to your Google Analytics account, and then you have to select the website of which you have to analyze the traffic. And then you just have to go to your admin, and then under this view you will be seeing this filters. So click on the filters, and then you'll be shown this add filter option. So click on add filter, and over there you will be seeing this add filter to view, and you have to create a new filter. So just name it. So ignore office IP, and then you can have predefined, so just click on exclude. So what all IP addresses you want to exclude, you can just choose this option, traffic from the IP addresses. So basically we are excluding traffic from the IP addresses. This expression could be that are equal to, that begin with, that end with, that contains. So let's say if you have the IP address 112.112.112.51, if you know that okay, this traffic, there is a sudden spike in the traffic, or some spammers are coming from this particular IP address, then you can just type in here, and then you can just save. But you have to just select the expression. So if you know that okay, this is the only IP address which is causing some real trouble to your website, or maybe this is your workplace IP address and you want to ignore it from your Google Analytics, then you can just click on that are equal to. If you know that okay, this particular range has to be excluded because that belongs to your office and you don't want that to be counted in your Google Analytics, then you can just click on that begin with. Or if you know that okay, there are certain IP addresses which are to be removed, which are sort of like this, so then you can just choose that end with. Or if you know that okay, these can occur in any of the IP addresses and you want to exclude traffic from all of those IP addresses, then you can choose this, that contain. So even if the traffic is coming from this or this IP address, all of the traffic from any IP address which will have this string will be removed or will not be included in your Google Analytics. So going to the first case in which we will have any particular IP address. So if you want to exclude every traffic from this particular IP address, then we can just click on that are equal to, and then enter the IP address which you want to exclude, and then click on save. So Google Analytics will ignore all the traffic which will be coming from that particular IP address, and you'll be seeing the data which will be not including the IP addresses which you don't want. So let's say if you are a web developer and you have a static IP address in your home or your office, and you are working on your website very actively, and so that data will be logged in your Google Analytics, which you may not want because that will not show you the true traffic data, because there will be visitors plus your visits. So if you want to include all the data which has come from your visits, then you have to add this filter to exclude the traffic from your office or your workplace, and then you will get the real picture of the actual data of your website. So yeah, add the filter, and then you'll be seeing the true picture of your website, or the true analytics of your website, which is really important for you as a web developer or as a marketing person. I hope this will help you. So in case you want to remove any of the filters which you have added, just click on remove and then click on remove filter, and that particular filter will be removed from your filter list.
Thank you for watching the tutorial. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button for receiving more updates from Being Skilled.